Sustainability and environmental protection are among the dominant topics of the world's leading trade fairs for metal processing in Düsseldorf. At the GIFA, METEC, Thermprocess and Newcast, the energy-intensive industry is showing us where the future is headed.
We have a very clear corporate goal to be able to reduce the use of energy, also reduce waste, as well as water by 50%.
Due to the use of a modern pump motor, this die casting machine only requires half of the energy. The industry giant SMS Group has also placed sustainable business on its agenda. State-of-the-art 3D printing processes, for example, will require 90% less raw materials and will be considerably more energy efficient. In the future, the small plants will enable production directly on site, significantly reducing transport costs. The topic of recycling is also being developed. The project Urban Gold has created a special procedure taking on the increasing amount of electronic waste.
Wir reden also von einem sehr stark wachsenden Markt.
We are talking about a rapidly growing market. There is scrap that is already being processed, but there is also a lot of scrap that needs to be stored in landfills, which is very complex and expensive. We cover almost 100%. We can get almost all of the important metals out of the components. All of these electronic components contain valuable metals such as platinum, palladium, gold, nickel, copper and so on. And we get it back as highly purified metal.
100% als hochqualitatives Metall wieder zurück.
In addition to energy efficiency and conservation of resources, however, at the bright world of metals, the over 72,000 visitors were also concerned with other topics.
Als Trends kann man natürlich hervorheben, dass wir
There are different trends we are seeing. Digitization plays a very central role, and of course there is the subject of additive manufacturing, which is becoming increasingly important in this area. We also welcomed international visitors from all over the world, and the quality of these trade visitors was very high again.
sehr, sehr hoch.
2/3 of the visitors and 70% of the exhibitors came from abroad, emphasizing the significance of the exhibition quartet. India and China are almost dominant, followed by Italy, Turkey, Japan, France and Russia. But they also will have to wait until the year 2023 for their next get-together in Düsseldorf.